The Prussian education system, introduced in the late 18th century, revolutionized schooling with the emphasis on universal compulsory education. After Prussia's defeat by Napoleon in 1806, critics like Johann Fichte claimed that Germany was being corrupted by the weak Enlightenment ideals, and the whole education system needed to be reformed to stop it. Self-seeking and self-thinking needed to be replaced by discipline and respect for authority. Thus, the Prussian model of schooling was born. The Prussian school system was enhanced to create a more unified and disciplined Germany. Key features included free primary education, professionally trained teachers, and standardized curriculum. It would be the first step in creating the modern school system we see today. However, it also separated the young of the elite from everyone else. The children of the rich and powerful families would be sent to Realschule to prepare them as the next generation of leaders and decision makers in Germany. The rest of the German children were sent to Volksschule to be taught what the average German needed to know to be ready to enter factory work. Reading, writing, some arithmetic, ethics, duty, discipline, and obedience. It was exactly what older German figures like Johann Hecker were dreaming about, with a system that would create the perfect worker, civil servant, and soldier. In all fairness, this system seemed to work, and soon it began to attract intelligent people from all over the world. Minds like Edward Everett, future governor of Massachusetts, George Bancroft, and Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, among others, pursued advanced degrees in Prussian universities, eventually attracting the attention of one Horace Mann. In the 1830s, American educator Horace Mann visited Prussia and was impressed by their system. He saw it as a model for creating an educated citizenry and promoting social equality in the United States. Mann returned and championed the adoption of the Prussian-style education system in Massachusetts, believing it would strengthen American democracy and reduce social inequality. The Prussian model gained traction here in the United States after Horace Mann's actions, and many states implemented similar systems. It introduced concepts like grade levels, standardized testing, and a focus on punctuality and obedience. These elements were seen as crucial for preparing students for the industrial workforce in the new age. John D. Rockefeller, the oil tycoon and philanthropist, was a strong supporter of the Prussian-inspired education system. He saw it as a way to create a more efficient and productive workforce, which aligned with his business interests and vision for American society. Why was he so interested in this new system? The new 8-hour structured school system matched his factory floor perfectly. Whether intentional or not, compulsory schooling created a factory for factory workers. The legacy of the Prussian school system in American education is profound and enduring. It shaped the structure of our schools from kindergarten through high school and established many practices we still use today, such as age-based grade levels and standardized curricula. While the Prussian model brought organization and accessibility to American education, it has faced criticism for potentially stifling creativity and individual thinking. As we move forward, the challenge lies in balancing the system's strengths with the need for innovation and personalized learning in our ever-evolving world. At Beyond Abundance Academy, it also makes us wonder, what profound effects have your schooling had on you? And can you trust those influences to be leading you in the right direction?